Well, this is our second section in a row about persisted data, in particular changing persisted data. But this time will refer to JSON fragments. Yeah, so what's inside nested objects, nested arrays, or property values that you'll have to change. And as I said before in the previous section, yes, we'll do this with update. Yeah, this is how we do this in Couchbase with update SQL statement. And update will take internally another clause called set. Okay, with this set you can change, and we'll go through all possible scenarios here. We'll change object properties. We'll change array elements. We'll change objects totally or arrays. Yeah, totally. We'll see how you can update nested array elements, okay, without unpacking, without exploding, let's say, the array elements. And yes, how to get rid, let's say, of properties, how to get rid of an object, of any element, yeah, let's call it. You have the unset clause also with update. And yes, finally, yeah, you have another special statement for data warehouses, especially when you have to update a target table from changes logged in a source table. And this special statement is called merge. In merge, you will call uh, you may call you may call insert, update or delete, upsert, in fact, insert, update or upsert, yeah, or delete based on the match, a specific match between some records in a source compared to the records on the target table. So buckle up. I think it's exciting. Learn about this and enjoy the ride.